Hey, good morning. What's going on, friends for YouTube? So today I have a quick short video on tip how to recognize, how to tell what weight the rotors are. These three are 13Bs. These two right here is for a Mazda rx7. This one right here is a Mazda rx8. Let's start by comparing them, what the difference is. You guys can see the side seals, they're right on the edge, closer to the edge, as this one is in here, and this one's are thinner, this one is more thicker, and this one here is missing the oil scraper. Of course the oil control rings are off, but the oil scraper, this one does not have it. And then dimension, sizes, and weight, they're different too, but other than that, same size, same weight. Of course it's different weight, but it's, as you can see, the one on the bottom is rx8, the one on the top is rx7. They're identical as in length and thickness. Let's put them side by side. Here you have it side by side. Now on the rx8, if you guys are looking to rebuild the rotor, the way you guys can tell what weight is it, you're gonna go by letter. Just look around. You're gonna look for the square, like the IQ reader. This one does not have it on this side. It's gonna be on this side right here. You see here we have it right here. And then weight is gonna be this one, the lower letter. So this weight is gonna be C. So now to confirm on the rx8, we're gonna look for the stamp on the side. Which is this one right here. Found it. Flip it over. So it's gonna have two stamps and 4 numbers. So let's start with the first two letters. If you guys can notice, this is letter F as a Frank and C as in Charlie. Letter F means this is the front rotor. Letter C means this is the weight. The weight is the C. So it's front rotor, weight C. This is on the Mazda rx8 13B. So now on the rx7, we don't have the IQ reader or the little stamp on this one. So what we're gonna look for is the stamp right next to the oil control ring, so right to the middle. So you guys are gonna see a bunch of S, little numbers like a 4 or 7 on their S, and a T, a number 2, an S, 2 stamps. This is a factory or assembly from factory. Don't pay attention on that. We're looking for a letter, 2 together, and then one close to this edge right here. So we don't see it in here. So look it up on the other side. Another thing, that 13B rx7s, they don't have the stamp like the rx8 does. So don't look in here because they don't have it. You won't see it. And now in here, let's go look for no numbers. We have like a little D or 4 in there. We have some number in here, letter. I don't know what is that. Another stamp here. Another here. This one here and here. This is gonna be our weight. You guys see right there a D, and then some strange symbol or marking. So this is our weight. Why? Because it's closer to the oil control rings. This is our weight. Weight D. Again, if you look around, we don't have any of them closer there. On the other side, we don't have nothing either. Only the number 4. We don't have anything in here. This is our markings. Number 2, T. So our marking, our weight is gonna be this one right here. It's gonna be a weight D. And now remember, you guys, whenever you guys are rebuilding a rotary, if you don't have the pair of rotors, you're gonna find one, use one, and you know whatever. You can skip one letter between. You can go AA, BB, CC, DD, or you can go AB. You can go BC. You can go CD. Never go AC. Or never go B, D. No, never skip one. I have to go right after. So A and B, B and C, C and D. So I have to go one after the other. Never skip one, like A and C. That'll be wrong. It will throw off your engine. You're gonna wear out your bearings. So do not do that. So anyway, we're gonna look up this one now. This one we have a number 6, which means nothing. On our S7, a little number 4, some L type of thing on our S, number 2, an S7. So we have our markings here. We're gonna flip it over. The easiest way too, guys, so you guys can remember where to find the weight on the 13B RX7 is where the gear is. See where this gear is? Here's where you're gonna find the weight. Now on this one we're in the right path. We have the gear in here. So now let's go look for the marking. Again, we have a 5 with a K. We have another K. We have an S, 2 stamps, an E, an S. And here we find our weight. This is like a 7 or something, and that's the weight, the C. So these rotors are compatible. We have the C, we have the C, and we have the D. So C and D, they're good to go. That's how you find the weight on it. Gear side up, and look out for the closest one to the edge right here. There you go. So it's a C, and this one is a D. That's how you compare. That's how you can tell what weight do you need, or what weight rotors do you have. So that's about it. That's the comparison. Comparing 13B Renesis RX8, a 13B Mazda RX7. Now, if you guys want me to do, if you want me to compare any FC rotors of Mazda RX7 from S4, S5, S4 Turbo 2, S5 Turbo 2, the twin turbo one. If you guys want me to do compare some of those, leave a comment below for the cleaning, and then short videos on my stories, Instagram story 13B_Dorito. So go look up all the videos over there. That's for now. Thanks for watching.